Gusto niyo po bang gumaan ang pakiramdam niyo? Pag mabigat ang iyong kalooban, may dalawa po tayong magagawa para gumaan ang ating nararamdaman. The first thing that you can do so that you can feel relief and peace in your heart is to do a deep sigh. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Magbuntong hininga ka. Paano yung buntong hininga? Huminga ka ng malalim, inhale, exhale, release mo, pabagsak. But try it. When you are stressed, when you are anxious, paggalit ka, naiirita ka, nalilito ka, naliligaw ka, magbuntong hininga ka. Try it. Inhale, exhale, bagsak mo, labas mo lang. And do it as much as you need it. Kailangan natin yan.